Hi guys, it's Therese. I am back with another video, and today I just wanted to share my winnings, or part of my winnings, from Isabel, who's Boris Crafting 100. I don't, I'm not very good with names, but I'll link her down below for everybody. She had a challenge, and I won first prize, and she sent me money in my PayPal, I think it was $30, and I used the money to get some oxide inks from an Etsy seller that I saw that it was the cheapest that I found. She only had one set left. I think this is set 2. I don't have any oxide inks, not at all. So I was going to go to Hobby Lobby, Michael's, and get like 1 or 2 and see if I like it. But I've seen so many projects, and everybody says how great it is, how well it blends and stuff like that. So I had to get I had to get some. So I picked this set because I wanted the black soot, and these colors were, I'm hoping I'll use them. So I got Abandoned Coral. Yeah, Abandoned Coral. Peacock Feathers. Twisted Citron. Wild Honey. Seedless Preserves. It's a purple. It has the whole rainbow in it. Candied Apple. Lucky Clover, which is a green. I thought it had all the colors, and an Antique Linen, which is one of my faves. Picked Raspberry. Salty Ocean. I can't talk. Frayed Burlap. That's another one that I liked. And Black Soot. So I thought this would be a good set to start with, and if I want to get the other 2, I think there's only 3 so far. I know that there's going to be more. But I got 12. I'm going to try them out and see if I like them, and if I do like them, then I might get the others when I can. So thanks everybody for watching. Thank you, Isabel, for such a generous gift or prize. And I just wanted to come on and share what I got, so you know what I used the prize money for. So thanks everyone for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.